Hello students of class 7. This is the last lesson, lesson number 12 of computer virus that is. So everyone nowadays get alarmed by the word virus because of this COVID-19. Uh, so computer virus is almost like the same that human virus, that is flu virus. So as you know, when a virus enters your body or our body, what does it do? So our body system, immune system gets weakened, we feel fever, cough, etc. We feel weak, headache, etc. So that means a virus is meant to disrupt the normal working of a human being, of animals, birds, whatever, even computer also. So but computer virus is a little bit different from the human or animal viruses. So now what is computer virus and what is human virus, we'll see here. Human virus is a biological virus. It is not related with any kind of programming and all, but computer virus is a program made by human beings only. So in the same manner, animal virus attach to the human beings or animals, computer virus also attach itself to the computer system and make its performance very slow. Here the computer become sick, I cannot say, but it becomes slow. Human beings and animals become sick, but computer become very slow. It affects its actual performance. So why computer viruses are created? The virus creators of computer, uh, they have the intent of creating problems. Some people have the intent of creating problems with this set of minds. Some people create this kind of viruses, programming viruses. Here one name is given who created some kind of virus. Okay, uh, so the people actually create the computer virus of destroying the other computers. Okay, so what are the harms a computer virus can cause? The list is here. The first one, attached to the boot record of your hard disk, which has booting instructions. That means when the computer starts, those instructions, it can corrupt it and the computer will take more time to start up. It will make thousands of copies of itself. That means it will replicate, it will give birth to, from one virus to two, like that millions of viruses will form inside the computer. They attach to executable files like exe file, like program files like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, okay, whatever, MS Paint. So those files will be affected. They will not work properly. Attached to any email you are sending, if you're sending email from your computer affected virus affected computer, those email will get corrupted with the help of virus will attach with that email and it will go to your friends or relatives email account and their computer will also get affected. However however virus is not so powerful. It cannot infect hardware devices. Your hardware device like monitor, keyboard, those will not get affected. Nothing will happen to them. In fact, write protect disks and flash drives, that means pen drives and all, will not get any affected. Okay, so hardware devices will not get affected, but the computer performance will surely going to get deteriorated. Okay, so how do you get a computer virus? The question is that you might be wondering from where the computer virus come. Obviously, the first and foremost reason is the internet. With the help of internet, that is with the help of email, infected email, people are getting the computer virus. Or if you attach your computer with a pen drive, infected pen drive or CD, from those also you can get the virus. Pirated CD, okay, if you buy from somewhere, those may contain the virus. So these are the ways virus come into your system. The history of viruses is given here. Who made the first virus? uh, PC virus, that is called PC brain. Okay, PC brain virus. It was made by Basit and AF Alvi, two Pakistani brothers. They made the first PC virus, that is a desktop computer virus. uh, so this is about the virus. Now uh, so here one line is written: emails are the biggest means to spread viruses worldwide. So virus, 90% of the virus spread by email, and it is also the fastest means of spreading the virus. Within seconds and minutes you can spread the virus from one corner of the globe to another corner of the globe. Okay. Then you have the malware. Now, what are malware? Malware is the malicious program, which is actually the virus. Whatever virus is a program already, I said. So those kind of software which create which are of a virus, which are those kind of programs where viruses are there, that is called a software, and those software are called malware. So malicious software, malicious, malware, the word mal is malicious, and from software, ware, here it is ware. So with the combination of these two words, malicious software, the software which is not meant for any good purpose of your computer, only for destruction purpose. So malware penetrates the system without the user's knowledge or permission. You will not get to know when the virus is entering your system. If you know, you are going to stop it. So it enters mainly secretly, very secretly, without your knowledge or permission, and goes on harming your software. Okay, not the hardware, software. So virus is a type of malware. So whenever we are saying virus, it is nothing but malware. But malware is also of many types. Malware may be like these types: worm, spyware, Trojan horse, etc. Various names are given depending on what type they are and what type of disruption they are going to cause. Okay, and how they enter. Okay, so on that basis, the names are given like worm, spyware, Trojan horse, etc. So worm is what? Worm is a standalone program. Worm is a standalone program that replicates itself and spreads by computer networks. Replicates means it is able to give birth. Okay, 1 to 2, 2 to 4, like this. So what does it do? It is self-sufficient to start functioning on a computer network. So it does not need any human activity. It is independent to do its work, and ultimately the computer network will slow down. Everything will slow down. Your internet activity will slow down in your computer. So you will feel exhausted if to use that kind of computer. Next come Trojan horse. So Trojan is uh, horse is in simple term, it is called Trojan. It is also a malware, but in the beginning you will find that program very legitimate. Means it is you'll find it very correct and uh, and useful, but is actually designed to harm your computer. There could be disguised links. So you will get some email. Okay, you will get some file. The name will suggest very interesting and very profitable. So it needs some kind of attention. So it will put you some attention, and you will be obviously tempted to click